Hello guys! Ito na naman po ang inyong take-home kusinero at your service po. Gagawa po tayo ng ating porkafritada for today. Bago natin simulan to, please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. Another ulam ideas para hindi na maghahanap ng inyong ulamin ngayong gabi o ngayong araw. To. First slice our pork, our liver pork, and our pork hearts, ganyan. Then separate our liver to be used later. Okay, slice and dice our potatoes, our carrots, and the red bell pepper. Then add chilies on it for additional flavor and spiciness, just like that. Sarap kasi apritada, medyo maanghang, okay? Pero paki-follow na rin po yung ating Facebook page at saka ating Facebook account, okay? Add our oil, our garlic, saute ito golden, add your onions, then add small amount of fish sauce, soy sauce, and vinegar. Add pepper, sugar, and hala, MSG na naman. Add your chilies, just like that. Don't add water. Let the natural juices of your meat comes out and natural oil, okay? Until it's tender. When it's tender, add your potatoes and your carrots and green peas if you have, okay? Then mix it well, cook it for 10 minutes, add your tomato sauce when it's tender, and then add your water for it. Cook it for about 10 minutes, but before finish it, put your liver on it. That's like that.